Hello Carlos and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that is relevant to actually increase the traffic to your website and attract more customers. Um, I'm going to be covering your website content and the Google Business Profile and Backlink Profile. So I actually came here to your website and my antivirus is not letting me open your website. It's actually saying that it's an untrustworthy website, and usually this happens when the security certificate is expired. So I cannot see it on my browser, but I actually came in and actually looking at it using my mobile phone, and it actually took me a while to open your website. So that's something that you can actually have a look at. I can see that you have the click to call button, links to the different services you provide, very good pictures actually. So in terms of content, I would say that it is sitting around probably 500, 600 words. You also have links to your social media accounts. So let's have a look at two of your competitors. Setup Raw Painters, this is the landing page for South Miami. They have the click to call button, uh, and they have links to the different suburbs they serve. They have links to the different services that they provide, their team, more services over here. Some of they have a blog over here. So through blogs, they are able to push through a lot of content actually, and they have links to the social media accounts. Right now, this landing page has around 1,000 words. And if I have a look at Miami Painting Services, these guys have around 558 words in their front page. So content is relevant because through content is that you're able to push through more value intent keywords. And that's actually what I came here to the Google search and I type in Painters Miami. And the first section is usually the Google Ads. And Google Ads are a really good mechanism to drive traffic to websites, but they can be very expensive if they are not done correctly. The second section is the Google Business Profile, and this section is driving between 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need, and look, Startup Pro Painters is running ads. They are ranking at the top for the Google Maps, and they are ranking at the top for the Google organic search. So that's how they are able to actually attract a lot of traffic. But coming back to here, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Facebook, all of those, and the details in there, such as name, address, and phone number, need to match exactly those on your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and you can rank at the top 3 positions. Now, to rank in this section, you actually need a website that is correctly built, that is safe to navigate, that has the relevant content, and that has powerful backlinks. So when I actually have a look, a tool called Ahrefs that helps me analyze the backend of a website. And I'm actually looking at yours, and it's saying to me that it has no backlinks from no referring domains and is not being found for any organic keywords. If I have a look at Startup Pro Painters, these guys are being found for 398 backlinks in 38 referring domains. So that means that they are directing traffic towards their website and that particular landing page through 398 links. If I have a look at Miami Painting Services, these guys are directing traffic towards their website through 73 backlinks. So it's a good idea to have a strong backlink profile because that's the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones, depending on the search that users are performing. Now, in terms of the organic keywords, Startup Pro Painters is being found for 106 organic keywords. And in here, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times that particular keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position this website is appearing in the Google organic search. So you can see here that Painting Contractor Miami is being searched for 250 times per month, and they are in the third position. Painters Miami, 250 searches per month. They're in the fourth position. Commercial Painting Contractors Miami, 60 times. They're in the first position. Miami Painting Contractor, 150. Commercial Painters Miami, 100. So basically, what you want to do here is that you want to identify what are those keywords that have a higher search volume, because those are the ones that you want to have embedded within the content of your website so that Google can start finding you and start understanding what your website is about so that you can rank for these keywords. And then a percentage of those potential customers. I mean, the objective behind this is to maximize the number of times that your website is going to be in front of potential customers, because then a percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I really hope that you enjoy this video, and you please feel free to use this information to boost the traffic to your website. And please don't forget to give me feedback. My contact details are at the bottom of the email. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.